Building a road used to mean blokes in high-vis jackets, leaning on shovels, drinking tea, and shouting over the roar of heavy machinery, a tradition stretching back centuries as old as the Romans themselves. Roadwork was a noisy, messy, and very human affair filled with sweat, banter, and the occasional grumble about the weather. But now, China has decided to rewrite the rules of the game entirely. In a bold leap forward, they've built a 157-kilometer motorway with a crew made up almost entirely of autonomous robots. No tea breaks, no sick days, no idle chatter, just relentless, precise work that never stops, not even for a moment. Imagine a construction site where machines operate in perfect harmony, 24/7, guided by invisible hands from space. Satellites and sensors orchestrating every move with pinpoint accuracy, day and night, rain or shine. These aren't your average factory robots, they're massive earth movers, pavers and rollers, each one thinking for itself, making decisions on the fly, and communicating in real time with its robotic teammates to avoid mistakes and maximize efficiency. The Changde-Yiyang section of the G5517 expressway was built with a speed and accuracy that makes traditional human efforts look almost quaint by comparison. What once took months or even years can now be accomplished in a fraction of the time. This isn't just a faster road, it's a declaration to the world. The future of construction is here, and China is leading the charge into this new era of automation. While other countries struggle just to patch up potholes and keep aging roads open, China's robot army is out there building entire highways from scratch, setting a new global standard for what's possible. The scale and ambition of these projects are staggering, like showing up to a go-kart race in a Formula One car. It's a leap so big, it leaves the competition in the dust. The result? Millimeter-perfect infrastructure finished in record time, ready to handle the relentless surge of China's massive traffic. Roads that are smoother, safer, and built to last. This is more than just a new road, it's the dawn of a new era in engineering and technology. It's a glimpse into a future where machines, not people, tackle the world's biggest engineering challenges, working together seamlessly, tirelessly, and with a level of precision humans can only dream of. The roar of engines is now joined by the silent hum of data, as algorithms and sensors quietly guide every move, every turn of the wheel. And it all began on a stretch of tarmac in Hunan province, a place that may one day be remembered as the birthplace of the robot road revolution. The world of construction has been put on notice. The old ways are fading, and a new, smarter era is taking shape before our eyes. The age of the robot road crew has arrived, and the world will never build the same way again. To truly grasp why China unleashed a robot army on its highways, you first need to understand the road at the heart of the story. The Beijing-Hong Kong-Macau Expressway, also known as the G4. This isn't just any road, it's a lifeline that pulses through the country. The G4 is a vital artery, seamlessly linking China's political capital Beijing with its economic powerhouses in the south. Every day, millions of people and goods travel along this route, making it essential for the nation's growth and prosperity. But with China's rapid urbanization and booming economy, the G4 became a symbol of chaos. Imagine 50-lane traffic jams stretching for miles, with thousands of drivers stranded for days. The infamous 2015 gridlock made global headlines, highlighting just how critical the problem had become. The government realized it couldn't afford to let this happen again. The stakes were too high, and the pressure was mounting. Enter the Changde-Yiyang section. More than just another stretch of road, it was designed as a crucial pressure valve, engineered to prevent future gridlock disasters and keep the nation moving. This new section is part of the ambitious G60 Science and Technology Innovation Corridor, China's answer to Silicon Valley. Here the goal is seamless movement, not just of people and goods, but of ideas and innovation. In a region built on cutting-edge technology, only a high-tech solution would suffice. The expectations were sky-high. The demand for rapid construction was enormous, and the timeline was incredibly tight. Delays were simply not an option. Traditional construction methods, with their slow pace and human error, just couldn't keep up with the urgency of the task. That's when China made a bold move, handing the job over to machines. Robots could work around the clock, eliminating delays, reducing mistakes, and pushing past human limitations. The robot highway wasn't just a flashy experiment, it was a necessity, born from the desperation to solve a national crisis and keep the country's lifeblood flowing. When the stakes are this high, incremental change isn't enough. Only a quantum leap in technology and thinking will do. And that leap, reshaping the future of infrastructure, was made possible by robots, forever changing how China builds its highways. So, who built this marvel? Not C-3PO in a hard hat, but hulking, purpose-built machines. The China Communications Construction Company deployed unmanned bulldozers, compactors, and pavers, each a specialist, all autonomous. Bulldozers carved the earth, compactors solidified the ground, and smart pavers laid asphalt with surgical precision. These pavers moved in formation, wirelessly linked, receiving asphalt from driverless trucks and coordinating with unmanned rollers. Sensors ensured every pass was perfect, every layer flawless. The machines formed a single, integrated system, constantly sharing data, adjusting in real time. If one detected an issue, the whole team adapted instantly. The result? Consistent, high-quality construction, free from human error or fatigue. No shortcuts, no mistakes, just relentless pursuit of perfection. Construction reimagined as high-precision manufacturing, and the results are deeply impressive. Big machines are impressive, but precision demands brains, lots of them. These machines, while powerful, rely on something more than just brute strength to function effectively. The secret lies in China's Beidou satellite navigation system and its integration with advanced AI technologies. Together, they form a powerful duo that revolutionizes construction. Beidou provides pinpoint positioning, letting each robot know its exact place on Earth. This precision is crucial for the seamless operation of autonomous machines. The digital blueprint is loaded into a central AI, which assigns tasks and plots efficient routes for every machine. This ensures that every step is calculated and optimized. The AI acts as a master conductor, ensuring the real-world build matches the digital plan. It orchestrates every movement with precision and accuracy. Each robot is packed with sensors, LiDAR, cameras, and more, creating a live 3D map of the site. This sensory data is vital for real-time decision-making. If conditions change, the system adapts instantly, recalculating on the fly. This adaptability ensures that construction continues smoothly, regardless of external factors. This is true autonomy. Robots that perceive, decide, and act in real time. They operate independently, showcasing the future of construction. No need for human surveyors or constant oversight. The machines handle it all, reducing the need for human intervention. The result is construction at blistering speed, anytime, any weather, with minimal error. This efficiency is unmatched in traditional methods. Data is now the most valuable building material. It drives the entire process, ensuring precision and efficiency at every stage. A robot-built motorway is efficient, but there's a cost. Jobs. Construction employs millions worldwide, many in manual roles. On this project, a handful of technicians replaced an army of workers. Proponents argue this is progress safer sites, new high-tech jobs in robotics and AI. But will enough new roles offset the jobs lost? The transition from laborer to technician isn't easy. Not everyone can make the leap. This isn't just China's problem, it's global. As automation spreads, economic pressure to replace humans will only grow. The G60 project is a test case, and its success sends a clear message. Machines are coming for building sites too. The challenge is balancing progress with people's livelihoods. The debate is just beginning. China's robot highway raises a big question. What's everyone else doing? Mostly they're tinkering. The US retrofits old machines with autonomous kits, clever but piecemeal. Europe runs pilot projects in robotic bricklaying and 3D printing, but on a small scale. Japan augments human operators with smart tech, not full autonomy. These are cautious steps, dipping toes in the water. China, meanwhile, dove straight in thanks to central control and massive investment. When China decides to innovate, it happens, fast. This gives them a huge edge in the race for technological dominance. The country that masters autonomous construction will shape the future of infrastructure and global influence. China has fired the starting gun and the gap is widening. The world is scrambling to catch up. The robot highway is just the start. The next step, applying these technologies to bigger, more complex projects. If robots can build a motorway, why not a bridge, a tunnel, or an airport runway? The same AI, satellite guidance, and sensors can scale up. Imagine autonomous cranes assembling skyscrapers, swarms of robots fitting pipes and painting walls. China's builders are already developing machines for high-speed rail and urban mega projects. The ultimate goal: fully automated cities built from the ground up by intelligent machines. This could revolutionize global construction, especially in developing nations. China's model could become the blueprint for building the world. The implications are massive and global. If robots can build everything, what's left for humans? Construction, once a source of mass employment and pride, faces a seismic shift. Some humans will still be needed: technicians, programmers, managers, but far fewer. Retraining isn't easy. Many workers may be left behind. We risk a two-tier society: a tech elite and a displaced workforce. This isn't just economics, it's about identity and purpose. The satisfaction of building something tangible may disappear. The march of technology is unstoppable. Banning it is futile. The real challenge: managing the transition and supporting those displaced. The robot highway is a wake-up call for society. We stand at a crossroads. One path, human-driven construction, messy, slow but meaningful. The other, China's vision, silent, efficient, machine-built wonders. The G60 robot highway is the first step down this new road. The allure of speed and efficiency is strong, but who controls the machines? Centralized AI and satellite systems concentrate power and risk. Are we building a more efficient world, or a more fragile one? The robot highway is more than a road, it's a prototype for a new world. And right now, the sat-nav is speaking Mandarin.